So we're going to do a quick breakdown on dwelling coverage A. What is it? How do you explain it to your policyholder? So quite literally, it is the house and the walls, the structure of the home. If the entire place goes up in smoke and we need to rebuild it from the ground up, how much is the company writing the check for? So if you work with one carrier and you're a captive agent, or multiple carriers and you are a broker, each one of these companies has a system inside the quote. It's called an estimated replacement cost calculator. And you can run it through, and it's going to ask questions like, what is on the exterior? Do we have wood paneling? Do we have vinyl siding? Is it brick? Is it stucco? How many fireplaces do we have? Right? That is certainly part of the structure in the walls. How many bedrooms? Daylight basement, do we have any basements? How many bathrooms do we have? What grade are those bathrooms? What grade is that kitchen? Meaning, is it just standard construction, or do we have granite countertops, right? What grade are the bathrooms and kitchen? Forced air, central, do we have electric? Attached garages, how many garages do we have? Each garage has its own price tag on rebuild, okay? Roofing is another one, right? So what is our roofing material? What shape is our roof?
I
So
was
all of these
hoping
things go into our rater. They're all going to go into calculation. It's not just square footage, but of course that is the initial question. The smaller the home, the cheaper it is to rebuild. So transparently, the more square footage you have, the more expensive the home is going to be. There's just more to rebuild. So square footage, yes, absolutely. But these are the other factors that go into calculating estimated replacement cost.